Hey Bill, what you doing? Did you catch anything yet?
Just a cold.
A cold. Our first fishing experience. It's a beautiful day out here in the Victoria waters. Listening to some good music, if you can hear that. We're in here in our boat. We've improved since the Schmengi boat. It's a little messy. We got our tunes playing. Having a lunch. We got the net ready in case we catch a fish. It's our first time, so we're not very optimistic, but who knows. And there's the skipper over there working on something. I don't know, always doing something. Checking his hook. Hey, Bill. He's not hearing me. Hello? What you doing? Huh?
I don't know.
You're not drinking.
Learning to fish.
Learning to fish.
101?
There's the rod. He's got it hooked up to this, what they call a downrigger. Still not sure what that exactly does, but hopefully it'll catch us a fish. And then there's got the line way out there somewhere. Out there, way somewhere out. See that big ship way off in the distance? That's probably where our hook is, somewhere out there. To be continued.
138 feet, I thought.
We got the little motor going. The big motor's stopped for now. We don't need that. That's what's going to get us home. And then we got
Find out
the...
how the fish finder. See any fishes?
That's the fish
I
finder.
don't see any fish on there.
We're at 162 feet, going 1.3 miles an hour. Oh, that was nice. I'm glad. You just burped in the camera. Hey, Bill. Are you enjoying this?
Oh, this is the life.
Where's your beer? All right, to be continued.